This tutorial is for the tortoises out there. We're going to go over how you can run AI image and video generation models completely for free on Kaggle. Kaggle is like Google Colab's cousin. You get 30 hours of free GPU time per week, which you run through notebooks. I created this notebook, which I'll link to in the description, where you can run Wan2GP on Kaggle. All you have to do is click that blue button in the repo or open the link in a new tab. Kaggle will open up. Make sure you have an account. And then you're going to go to settings and select under accelerator GPU T4. If the GPU options are grayed out for you, make sure you have validated your phone number with Kaggle, and then you will be able to select the GPUs. It actually gives you 2 GPUs, but unfortunately, we can only use one at a time with this software. You're going to click Run All, and it's going to set up everything for you. It's going to take a few minutes. I'm going to accelerate this playback so you don't have to watch it all, but you can see the steps it goes through. Basically, it's installing Wan2GP and its dependencies and making a few tweaks so that it runs on the Kaggle environment without issue. So Wan2GP is software that makes it really easy to run AI video and image generation models. It is optimized for low VRAM environments, which makes it really useful for running on these free services like Kaggle and Colab. It also provides a pretty easy to use UI, and it's much easier to work with than Comfy UI because it auto downloads the models for you. Once we get to the launch Wan2GP cell, we're almost ready to go. This has the command that starts the process, and we see that we're starting Wan2GP with Profile 5. Profile 5 uses the least amount of RAM and VRAM possible. This means the video generation is going to be slower than it could be, but you should stay within the resource limitations on the Kaggle notebook, meaning you are sacrificing speed here, but it is a zero commitment way to try it out. If you want faster options, I would try RunPod or Modal, or if you have your own GPUs, you can run this locally. You can always see the resource utilization in the Kaggle notebook right there at the top. And the biggest constraint I actually hit with running this was the disk space. So you're not going to be able to download that many models and have it fit within the Kaggle notebook. So you'll either have to delete model files you are no longer using or spin up a new environment when you want to run a new model. When it's ready, you will see that .live URL, and you can click on it and it will open a new browser tab with the Wan2GP application running. With Wan2GP, you can use AI image models, you can use text to speech, you can do song generation, but for this demo, I'm just going to do a video generation with LTX-2. We're going to select LTX-2 in the dropdown, then 2.3 22 billion, and then we're going to use the smallest version, the distilled Q4 GGUF. As I mentioned, I found disk space as the biggest constraint when running these models, so you're going to want to use the checkpoints that are the smallest files. And then for this demo, I'm going to keep the default, except I'm going to change the number of frames generated so that we're generating 5 seconds of video rather than 10 seconds. The memory management is so good now, you can do 10 seconds and you'll be just fine, but it will take longer. So for this demo, I'm just going to generate 5 seconds. The first time you generate, it has to download the model, so it's going to take a little longer. While it's running, you can always open up your notebook tab and see the logs and the resource utilization. While the model is downloading, you will see the disk usage going up, the GPUs will not be utilized at all yet, and we see the CPU there is taking the brunt of the work. Once inference begins, the utilization will look like this with the GPU hitting 100%. The 5-second 720p video completes generation in 32 minutes, including the model download time, and you can play it directly from Wan2GP or download it to your own machine.
Dad's lost it and we've lost Dad.
Stop being so dramatic, Jess. He's just having fun.
I hope you have almost as much fun playing with the models.